Alright, hey everyone, my name is Andre Pittman. This is Kines 205, Section 1, and today we're going to show how to use Doodle for polls and calendars, but also use Google Hangouts for calls. Uh, the assignment today is to set up a call with your boss and also human resources, so let's get started. We're going to click here and we're going to make a title, so let's just say conference, or just type as meeting. Add location, conference call, add note. We can say boss plus HR. Alright, hit continue. So now we can click dates. Let's shoot for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, or Thursday, to give them two different days to choose from. And we're gonna click to where they can say the yes or no for certain time periods, days. And then here, you put your name, so and then your email, so that they can know who you are when you send this out to them. And then just that simple. Finish. So they'll get this link right here. You want to copy it. If you want to copy and paste it, you can. But if you add them to here, they'll get it whenever you send it out. So we say right now I have 0 participants, but they can click this day works for them or this day works for them. Maybe not that day works. But yeah, so I can come here, I can copy this, I can go to Google Hangouts actually, new conversation group, and I can type. I don't have the boss's number. It's an email or phone number, so I'll just click my mom. Use that for right now. I can come here, add as many that I need to, because here you can add groups. So I'd add obviously the boss and HR, but right now I'm just using my mom for right now for this. Paste that. They'll have that link there, and then also you can come down here, where's join call, and we can kind of space this out just so they can make it. And there it is. So that's how you use it.